What is a UTXO and how does it work? UTXO stands for Unspent Transaction Output. Each Bitcoin transaction, where Bitcoin is sent and received, has two parts, inputs and outputs. Inputs are like money in your wallet. When you want to send Bitcoin to someone, you need to use some of the money from your wallet as an input for the transaction. These inputs are called UTXOs. They represent the unspent or unused Bitcoin you have. Outputs, on the other hand, are like the money you're giving to someone. When you send Bitcoin, you specify the amount you want to send and the recipient's address. The transaction creates new outputs, which are UTXOs assigned to the recipient's address, indicating that they now own that Bitcoin. How does it work? Here's a simple example. Let's say you have 2 BTC in your wallet, represented by a UTXO. When you want to send 1 BTC to your friend, you use the 2 BTC UTXO as an input for the transaction. The transaction will consume that UTXO and create 2 new UTXOs, one with 1 BTC assigned to your friend's address and another with the remaining 1 BTC, which acts as change and is sent back to your own address.